This is why you need React props. They make passing data between components a breeze. Props, short for properties, are like function arguments for your React components. They let you pass data from a parent to a child component. For example, if you want to tell a child component about Alice, who's 25 years old, you do it like this. JSX function, parent component, return. Inside the child component, you'd access these props like this. JX function, child component, props, return, props. The name is props, age, years old. Props are read-only, meaning the child component can't change them. This immutability makes your components predictable. Props also make components reusable. Use the same component with different props and voila, different outputs. Props can be any data type, strings, numbers, objects, even functions. Plus, you can set default values and use prop types for type checking. So, props are your go-to for passing data, making your components versatile and dynamic. Got it? Great. Now go and prop it like it's hot.